Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an error on Windows. This is Windows has recovered from an unexpected shutdown and you're able to boot back into Windows. So I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle here. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the start button. Just I'll click on the start button one time. Type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. You want to go ahead and right click on that and then select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to select yes. Now in this elevate command line window, and I'll also have this up on the screen of the video as well, you want to type SFC space /scan. Don't actually write space in there, I'm just actually telling you to put a space. So again, SFC space /scan now. No spaces in between the / and the scan now. Hit enter on your keyboard once you have it exactly as it appears on my screen. This will run the system file integrity scan on your computer. So hopefully it would be able to resolve any problems you're having on your Windows computer, I'd say. So restart your computer once it is done. Hopefully I would have been able to fix the problem. Another thing you can try if you minimize out of here. So if that wasn't able to fix your problem, if you open up System Restore, so just typing that into the start menu here, and you already had a System Restore point configured, you would just be able to go back and click on the System Restore button here and go back to your most recent restore point. Hopefully that would serve as an alternative method if this was unable to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.